Mastering the Art of Hair Teasing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first but is actually quite common in everyday English conversations, especially when it comes to beauty and fashion. We'll be demystifying the phrase, tease your hair out. Whether you're a language learner trying to expand your vocabulary or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. Tease your hair out might conjure up images of playful behavior. But in this context, it's all about hairstyling. To tease in this sense means to comb or brush hair in a way that makes it fuller and more voluminous. It involves backcombing or ratting the hair, which means combing the hair towards the scalp, creating tangles and volume. This technique is often used to achieve a variety of hairstyles, from everyday looks to more dramatic evening styles. The concept of hair teasing isn't something new. It dates back to the 1950s and 1960s, when voluminous hairstyles, such as the beehive, were all the rage. This technique allowed people to create hairstyles that defied gravity, showcasing their personality and style through their hair. Over the years, the practice of teasing hair has evolved but remains a staple in hairstyling, reflecting the ever-changing trends in the fashion world. 1. Start with dry hair. It's easier to tease and holds volume better. 2. Section your hair. Work in small sections, starting from the bottom and working your way up. 3. Use the right tool. A fine-tooth comb or a teasing brush is ideal for this. 4. Backcomb gently. Place the comb a few inches from the scalp, push down towards the roots in a gentle motion. Repeat until the desired volume is achieved. 5. Smooth the top layer. Gently brush the surface of your hair to cover the teased sections, giving it a polished look. 6. Finish with hairspray, to ensure your voluminous style stays in place. Teasing your hair out is a fantastic way to add volume and intrigue to your hairstyle. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to change up your look, mastering this technique can open up a world of styling possibilities. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to tease your hair out, and how you can incorporate this technique into your hairstyling repertoire. Don't forget to practice, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, have fun experimenting with your hair. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.